Breaking news: the Sultan of Sokoto has reportedly left his palace for an undisclosed location, sparking speculations about his whereabouts. And this happened as a result of yesterday that Israeli Prime Minister said that they are joining forces with America.
They go to the United States, they go to Africa, Nigeria. And we are conscious of the fact that Christians are being persecuted across the Middle East, in Syria, in Lebanon, in Nigeria. Faith should speak its voice, and terrorism should be confronted.
To come and fight and confront, plus to defeat terrorism in Nigeria. You guys know that I made a video sometime last week asking, where is the Sultan of Sokoto? Because he is the spiritual leader of Muslims in Nigeria. And he's the head of the snake. He's the head of all this terrorism in Nigeria. All the terrorism going on in Nigeria. The Sultan of Sokoto is aware. Even Gumi that is talking, he's the one that gives him the audacity to talk. Okay? So now, Israel is coming to help America with this battle against Fulani terrorism. All of a sudden, the Sultan has left his palace. And I also want to inform you guys that on New Year Eve, America dropped bombs in Kaduna, and it is said that Gumi's house was affected. So Gumi is so angry with Trump right now, and he's saying that America needs to stop fighting Nigeria. It is not Nigeria that America is fighting. America is fighting terrorism. And he also saying that we need to reject any help coming from Israel or America. Instead, we should go and embrace help from Turkey, China, or Pakistan. And of course, you know that Turkey is an Islamic country. China are even the ones that are collecting all our resources, all the illegal mining areas in Nigeria. Now, Chinese people, they there, running things with Nigerians, such as people like Gumi and the rest of them, all these Fulani governors, they all know what is going on with the illegal mining in different parts of the north. Because you know the north, they claim that the gold in the north belongs to the people of the north, but the oil of Nigeria belongs to Nigerians. It is also worth to know that Gumi, as well as a former spokesperson for Buhari, Bashir, on Twitter, he is claiming that Israel is coming to create Biafra, in other words, to disintegrate Nigeria. And I have this to say. If Israel is coming to Nigeria to help us to get our Biafra, that is a wonderful thing. At least they are not coming to start killing people. They are not coming to kill Christians. They are coming to disintegrate that country, if that is what you think. Because Nigeria is long overdue for us to go our ways. We do not align with each other. We have no business with the North and their ideology and their thinking. Maybe you guys have something to do with Yoruba people, because you know the running of Nigeria since 1960 is between the Yoruba and the Fulani people. All of them, they do 5 and 6. You guys are romancing yourselves. And that is one of the reasons why Yoruba people are burning Igbo people's shops in Lagos. I've made videos about that. Yoruba people are burning Igbo people's shops in Lagos this Christmas period. 4 fires within 7 days. It is not a coincidence. So you guys love each other. If Israel can come and divide the country, then that is fine. Oduduwa can go with the north. And then we have our Biafra. If Middle Belt wants to come with us, fine. If Middle Belt wants to go with the north, it's okay. So that is the news right now, that the Sultan is nowhere to be found in his palace. They have hidden him in an undisclosed location. He has gone to somewhere to hide because he's afraid that maybe one day they are going to throw a bomb at him in his palace. I don't really blame him in that. But guess what? Like I said in that my first video last week, if America, and when America is ready for that Sultan and Gumi, they will catch you wherever you are. Remember, that is what they did to Osama bin Laden. Osama bin Laden was hiding for years until finally they got him. So Sultan of Sokoto cannot hide forever. They will still find him if they are looking for him. Gumi, that is his spokesman and his personal assistant, has been running his mouth, condemning all these airstrikes. When America is ready for you, Gumi, they will also come for you. Okay? So it is a welcome development for Israel to come and support America to to wage this war against terrorism in Nigeria. Many Christians are still being killed even till today. So if Israel can come and help out, that is wonderful. And guess what? Israel is not lenient like America that is going to be having dialoguing with Tinubu and his men. Israel is bumper to bumper. You know that they have been fighting wars in the Middle East for a long time. Israel get the solution to this Fulani terrorism in Nigeria. And by the time they come, they will set base in northern Nigeria. And they will also set base in northern Nigeria, themselves and America. And I tell you, if they start eliminating all of these people in the forest, by the time they start working on what they have in that Sokoto, because you know that Sokoto is their headquarters. Yes, that is where the administration takes place. Sokoto is the headquarters of terrorism in Nigeria. They call it the Sokoto Caliphate. That is where their Sultan is, because that is where they give all the command to the different facets that they have in the country. So if they can come and defeat these people for us, that would be great. Guys, let me know what you have to say about this. Leave your comment in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.